Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion IRV in beautiful blue sky, Duluth, Minnesota. Today I want to do a short video of our 2013 Forest River Georgetown, and this is a 280 DS. We'll walk around the outside of this coach, we'll show you the inside, then we'll see what you think. Okay, so this coach has 87,000 miles on it. Power awning. I don't know if you can see it, but the metal wrap, so when it's in, the metal wrap protects the awning from the sun. It's got body paint on the outside. It's got 19-inch tires, automatic leveling jacks, side cameras, and there's a camera on the back as well. One-piece windshield, 2 ACs up top. There's that camera. Nice big slide on this side, bedroom slide on the other side, and then you've got awnings over the slides. 5500 Onan generator. Got valves, stems for the inside and outside tires. I want to point this out right here. Let me close this just to show you. So they'd cut that out for the cord. I just want to show you that. Lots of outside storage. There's your outside shower, ladder. Got your camera up top, nice window on the back. 5,000-pound hitch on the back. Awning over that bedroom slide. Nice short Class A motorhome. And the paint job gives it a nice look. That burgundy and tan really pop. Okay, so now I'll go up inside. Okay, I want to show you a couple things. Okay, this chair does not lock. Okay, and it's got a lot of wear on it. Just want to point that out. This chair's got a lot of wear too. Okay, turn it around, but it does not lock into place. So I just want to let you know that. Okay, so we got a power shade up front. The shades on the side are manual. Okay. Okay, 86,608 miles. Got your CD player right there, your backup camera. Okay, so 552 hours on the generator. I'll turn the engine off now. Got your TV up top here. Little wear and tear on this slide. Trim right there. Got a speaker there. I'm going to turn that generator off, but we got AC blowing there. So I'll turn the gen off. Okay, there's your couch. Nice big window. And then you've got your sleeping for one, eating for two table. Storage up above it. Nice solid surface countertops. Fridge. Freezer. Microwave. Control panels right there. We've got our shower. Medicine cabinet. Toilet over in the corner. And a nice roomy bedroom. Queen size bed. Storage up above. Got your air conditioner. Another TV set right there. And a lot of storage. Okay, we'll go get one more shot of that outside. Well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful sunny Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in our 2013 Georgetown, this is a 280 DS Forest River motorhome, just call or text us at 218-729-9111. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, keep on traveling.